Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have a Samsung unit model UN65JS9000F. We're going to be going over some strategies that you can use if your television is producing a picture but is not generating any sound. First off, if you have your television plugged into an external sound source, be that a soundbar or a stereo system, make sure that everything is plugged in correctly, that it is ready to be receiving a signal from your television. If you do not have an external sound source or you've already eliminated that as the issue, we would suggest going through and doing a factory reset on the television just to return all of those settings that you may have changed in the TV back to the factory default setting. If you have eliminated some of these more simple troubleshooting techniques and you feel like you need to do a board swap to return sound to the television, we would recommend switching out the main board. We're going to have a short video here highlighting exactly how to get that out of your TV. Do pay close attention to this small cream-colored plug in this short video. That is going to be the plug that goes to the speakers themselves. Make sure that that is plugged in correctly. The first step for the main board is going to be get all the clips and cables away from the board itself. We're going to go ahead and start with these two guys. You're going to push down on the right and left side of the clip, slowly walk it away. Now you see it did come out here at an angle. We can just pop that back in, use two hands if you gots to. Just walk it right away from the board. This one, same style. Push down on those clips, we'll walk it away. This one is going to have a small lever on the top that we're going to depress with our thumbnail. Should just slide right out. Same thing with this one. Depress that clip with our thumbnail, slide it away. This is going to be a similar style, so we're depressing that clip and it comes right out. Ribbon cable connection we want to pop up with our fingernail. And we do want to be gentle while we walk this ribbon cable connection out of there so we don't damage it. So now that we have all the clips and cables away, we can remove the screws, and that should be the main board away from the chassis. And there you have it. All right, so that's how you get the main board out of this unit. Hopefully following these tips will at least get you pointed in the right direction for figuring out what's going on with your television. If you feel like you need to ask any more questions, I'm gonna have a link down below to a subreddit that you can go to with those questions. That's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.